Here's our little kitten, Finn, white kitten with blue eyes and stuff, and every time he eats, he makes these cute little noises. Are you camera shy, Finn?